I cannot know it.
We're going to make puto.
Puto.
We're going?
Puto head?
Puto.
Puto.
Yeah. So, here's the ingredients of the puto.
Just the puto.
Okay, then put this one here. That is two.
That's two.
Yeah. Oh, salin mo dyan.
Wait.
Okay.
Mama bowl.
Put on the bowl. Pour on the bowl.
More.
One more.
And I said, click in the channel to our videos and I'll say blue block, blue block.
Okay. And then, add the sugar. 1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar.
Oh, yeah.
You need a
Salin mo.
spoon.
No, you don't need. Just salin mo na lang. Lahat, anak. 1 cup. Good. More. And then, put 2 cups of water. Your water. 1 cup of water. Is that? Okay. Yeah. Good. And then 1 more. 1 more cup. You add 1 more cup, anak.
Okay.
Ayan, dyan ka na. Ayan yung tubig mo. Hop. Hop. I think that's too much. Okay. O, doon ka. Balik ka sa pwesto mo. Okay. Dahan-dahan ng halo. Kailangan ma-mix mo mabuti yan.
So, may one help me.
You can do it.
It look like
Yeah, it's yummy. That is puto. Not koto. You said koto. It's puto. Hurry up, mix it.
there's more sugar.
You did not put all?
Yeah, there's. See?
Oh, then salin mo lahat. Okay, then enough. Oh, mix mo na. Stir up mabuti. Sabi mo muna. I'm going to mix it. Hindi yan yung ano. You want that? Okay, then mix it. And also that one, yung machine.
This?
Yeah.
This one?
Oh, pero alisin mo yung ano mo. Yung purple mong panghalo. You cannot mix that. Come on.
My eyes is not going to be good. I need the glasses and my eyes is not looking anywhere.
You need glass?
Glasses.
Okay.
Wait. Oh.
Okay. Because I cannot see.
My ears.
Mm-hmm.
My ears. My ears. My ears.
Mm-hmm. Go.
My ears and my helmet.
Okay. Ayusin mo. Go. Hurry up. Again. That's good. Perfect. Okay. Go. Then mix it na. Sigurado ka nakakakita ka? Okay. Slowly. Dahan-dahan lang. Okay. Tama yun. Mahina lang yun.
Stickers and then put this away.
And then, arrange it.
And then just put it here.
Lakas mo naman yung boses mo.
No, this one.
Oh. Bakit nakalabas sa...
This one.
Bakit nakalabas sa plate?
It's dirty here.
How come? cup?
I want the big cup.
Okay. Salinan mo na.
Right over there. That's okay. That's okay.
Are you checking if that one is clean or not?
No, I said that's okay.
Okay na siya. Oh, so you don't need that plate? Hindi mo na kailangan niyang
This
plate.
is slippery.
Yeah, so you don't need plate, anak.
You can do this.
Okay, go. Enough! Enough, be! Magsalin ka na.
You need one more plate. It's
Enough!
ramen.
That one is very big, so you don't need plate. Go.
Then
Salin mo na. Where's your spoon? Where did you put it?
here.
Okay, then lagyan mo na.
Scoop up.
Scooby-Doo. Okay lang ka matatapos niyan.
I'm putting more.
I think it's better you need cup para madali mong masalinan. What do you think? Is that good idea or what?
That's good idea.
Okay, then use this cup. Para madali mong masalin. Kasi kumukulo na yung tubig natin. O, hindi mo na kailangan yan. Ilagay mo na dito yung spoon mo. You don't need that.
I need this. To the cup.
You don't need. Use your cup there. Scoop it.
Scoop my
Scoop
cup.
mo na yung cup mo dun. Oo. Hindi mo na kailangan yan.
Okay.
Yeah, scoop.
Let's go to dirt.
It's fine. That is clean. Para madali mong isalin yung puto mo doon.
Oh.
Madali. It's good. More. It's okay. Come on, hurry up. Kumukulo na yung tubig natin. Sali.
I need to linis.
Oh, then use your purple one. The stick. Linisin mo yung ilalim.
Linis yun.
Ganunin mo lang ng kamay mo.
Can you help me?
Ganun lang, oo, yan. O, linis na siya. O, game, salin mo na siya. Salin na.
That's
O, wag masyadong puno. Aapaw yan. Ang kabila. Isa naman. Next. You see?
It's more bloating.
Yeah, hindi mo na kailangan yung plate. Why are you smelling?
I'm just smelling the puto. You don't need this anymore.
Okay, lagay mo dyan sa plate mo.
Oops.
Sa gilid ng plate. Dali.
Oopsie.
Your puto is so messy. Yan, ganyan. Very good. Game, go. It's part of your... yung ilalim, linisin mo. Hindi ganyan. Konti lang. Hindi na yung kakainin. Hindi na yung kakainin ni mama. Pag nakita sabi, ew. What kind of puto is that? Maxine, go, hurry up. Doon sa kabila naman. Make sure na hindi tatapon. I've told you, you don't need the cup.
He was old now.
Okay, 4 years old be. Go. Doon sa kabila, enough na yan. Too much. Kabila. Doon ka kasi.
Mag-overflow yan, be.
Oh, yan, dyan. Yan. Nakakakita ka pa ba sa ano mo?
Support.
Sa-
Bakit hindi mo pa tinetext sa akin yung
Hindi ko
email?
pa ba binigay sa'yo?
Wala.
Oh, hurry up na.
Hi!
Hindi pa ba?
Hello.
Wala kaya?
Ate!
Oh.
We don't need help, Ate.
Ano naman tong cook na to, anak ko?
Daldal naman ng daldal. Dali. At yung tubig natin kumukulo, pwede pang abutan ni Tita A yan.
Matagal ba
Ang
yun?
tanong kakainin niya kaya yung puto mo?
Ay, masarap yan!
Go, dali, para makita.
I'm sure masarap yan. Gusto yung matikman ni Tita A. Nasaan na yung bunso?
Ayun, natutulog silang mag-ina.
Ah.
Dali at
So, dito na talaga yung entrance nyo.
Ate!
Binubuksan ko lang kasi na pagka may pasok, di ba? Oh, is that okay na?
No, not yet.
Check ko. Hurry up.
What are you making? Kuto.
Kuto?
Puto!
Kuto?
Puto!
Yeah. Are you gonna put your kuto in there? Ate, don't say that.